we are living in an atomic and subatomic world? At some point of your life, have you ever questioned yourself if humans are atomic and how connected are we? The building blocks of life in our world are atoms. Hundreds of billions of atoms make up our body. We know of 118 different sorts of atoms which we refer to as elements, and everything we see is made up of elements that have stable atoms. The nucleus is a subatomic component responsible for preserving an atom's stability. Positively charged protons and neutral neutrons make up an atom's nucleus. The strong nuclear force acts as a thing that keeps these nucleons together, and it is the tool that determines if a nucleus is stable or unstable. The force in stable nuclei is strong enough to keep the nucleus together indefinitely. Stable nuclei, on the other hand, have too many protons or neutrons, causing the strong nuclear force to be disrupted. While radioactive decay occurs when an unstable nuclei attempt to balance themselves by releasing extra proton or neutron. And there are three common emissions occur in natural radioactive decay. When scientists first noticed these emissions, they couldn't match them to any known particles. Therefore, they were given the name alpha, beta, and gamma. As nuclei become larger, they become increasingly unstable, and the only way to keep it stable is to release some of the surplus neutrons and protons as an alpha particle, which will eventually result in alpha decay. A piece of paper can block their path. The atomic number reduces by 2 and the mass number decreases by 4 when a radioactive nucleus disintegrates by producing an alpha particle. The following is an expression for alpha decay. On the other hand, when a radioactive nucleus disintegrates into beta particles, the atomic number increases by 1, while the mass number remains the same. Beta decay is the name given to nuclear reactions that entail this type of transition. The third type is gamma decay. When a radioactive nucleus produces gamma rays, the atomic number and energy level of the nucleus change. The total number of people remains constant. With the emission of gamma rays, it returns to its ground state. When we eat, drink, or even breathe in the air, many of those atoms end up being absorbed into our body. When we sweat, exhale, or expel stuff from our body, those atoms return to the biosphere, where they may be integrated into the bodies of others. Therefore, everything is connected in this planet.